In this tutorial we are going to learn about redaction. So redaction is really easy. First thing you want to do is enable redaction. So you're going to come up here and click on File, and then click on Redaction, or highlight Redaction, and then click on Enable. Now if you have it on different pages, you can do multiple pages, you can do starts and stops. So I'm just going to do right here, and I'm going to redact all of this. So now that I've got it highlighted, I'm going to right click and select redact. This that comes up and it says, do you want to redact any additional occurrences of the selected text in this transcript, yes or no? That means if you're having to redact, let's say, a social security number, an address, a cell phone number, something personal to the child, or the child's name, or the person's name, not just the child's, but the person, and you're trying to protect or keep that confidential, then you would say yes, and it would go through and find all occurrences of the name, number, whatever you selected, and redact it throughout the document. I'm going to say no because we don't. I'm going to say no. Okay, so in the document it'll look like this, so you can always see it within Winner. I'm going to go to Print Preview, and you'll see this is the way it looks in Print Preview. Now when I take this same thing, this same document, I'm going to export it to, let's say, PDF. And I'm going to put it right up on the desktop. It's only like 4 pages long. It shouldn't take too terribly long. I'm going to double click on it, and you can see by this very large representation of it that it also is marked out like this. So it doesn't change page and line numbers, it just blackens them out so nothing can be revealed. And that is redaction. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.